In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom reminders for tasks in Todoist. Having reminders set up properly is one of the best ways to make sure nothing slips through the cracks, and Todoist makes this really straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and navigate to the task you want to be reminded about. A simple way to do this is to go to your inbox or the specific project where you created the task. Look through your list and click on the task's name to open its detailed view. This will expand a panel or window where you can see all the information related to that task, like its description, due date, and any comments. Once the task detail view is open, look for the reminder option. Depending on your version or layout, this will usually appear as an icon or a label that says reminders, somewhere near the due date or task actions. Take a moment to hover over the icons if you're unsure. The one you're looking for will clearly mention reminders when you place your cursor over it. Click on reminders to open the reminder menu for this specific task. This is where Todoist allows you to manage how and when you want to be notified. If you don't see any reminders set yet, that's completely fine. We're going to add a new one now. Inside that reminder menu, look for the option that says Add Reminder. Go ahead and click on Add Reminder. This will open up a small panel or pop-up where you can customize the reminder details. Here, you'll typically be able to choose the exact date and time when you want to receive the notification, and in some setups, you can also select how you want to be reminded, such as by mobile push notification, email, or desktop alert, depending on your account, settings, and devices. When you choose a time, think about when the reminder will be most useful. For example, if the task is due in the evening, you might set a reminder a few hours earlier so you have time to work on it. After you've selected the date and time that works best for you, confirm or save the reminder in that panel. Once saved, your custom reminder is now linked to that task. Anytime you open this task again, you'll be able to see, edit, or remove the reminder from the same reminders option. This simple process helps you stay on track and make sure Todoist actively supports your schedule instead of just storing your tasks.